Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is day 20 of our Himalayan mulberry update, and I think today is a bit different because today is the first day of making a harvest of our Himalayan mulberry fruits here. Oh, I'm sad. This branch here did not succeed. All the fruits died. I think we only have one, and this one is so old and started. It's rotten already, it's dried. But anyway, it's just one part of the whole plan. But we have to focus on the plan that we have today is to do the harvest. See that one? Now they're turning into red. Look at that. A lot of them, but they're not ready yet for the harvest. But these fellows here, they're quite ready for the harvest, so we'll have to pick them up. Okay, and it's even smooth to just pick them slowly. Look at that, YouTube friends. Still have more here. Come and let's see here. Oh, there's one drop already on the ground, so I let the see that one this big guy, the big ant, started to suck into the juice. Okay, I think we have to harvest this one. Okay, look at that, healthy and nutritious and delicious mulberry fruits here. So let's gather this up. I'll show you around after we have done the first harvest this morning. We have one here, it's not ready yet. I think tomorrow morning. We have one here. Okay, day 20. And then other red color fruits are changing color right now here, and I think we'll see more ripe fruits tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. It's our first day of school. Not first day of school, first day of work. First day of work again, though we have Buddhist exam in the school on Tuesday, so it means we don't have regular classes, but we still have to report in school. So I think we can harvest this one here. And you know what, YouTube friends, that kind of easy to do the harvest when it changes color, when it's already red. Why? Because it can easily be plucked off from the cluster. Unlike the native mulberry, even it's already ripe, dark color, but still it is really hard to pick that one. I think we have another one here. It's a bit far from my reach. I'm trying to get it. Okay, now let's collect all together what we've got in our first day of harvest. This is I give you the update, and it was a daily update since day one, when these leaves here that you have seen and these fruits that you have, that you can visibly see in your mere eyes, when all these were just like a tiny bulb form. If you go back in day one, because we're doing raw clips, so I cannot attach on the screen what we have done, what we have filmed in our first day, but you can go Himalayan mulberry update day one. You'll see these branches here are full of tiny bulb form, in which the inside were all these branches that you have seen here, and the leaves and the fruits that are emerging right in front of your eyes. And then today is a bit different because it's our first day to do the first harvest. And look what we've got here, YouTube friends. Okay, how to handle this one, because my other hand is holding the phone to film and the other one is collecting and the mulberry fruits that we have harvested today. Okay, my wife will be enjoying this one, munching all these mulberry fruits, and the fact that she has migraine today, so this can be a great of help, minimizing the pain, helping her to. We have another one here. Let me try if I can pick this one. Yeah, we've added two. Look at that, YouTube friends. See that one? And in the US and in Canada, this is around $60 per kilo. It's very expensive. Here in Thailand, I think the price vary, sometimes higher than $60 or maybe around that price. But since it is not really popular to the public, so only those persons that have knowledge about this plant will patronize this product. But the majority of the Thai people here, I think they don't know much about this plant yet. But I'm trying to reproduce this. I'm not expecting to have a fortune in the future about this plant, but hopefully I can bring some if my wife and I and the whole family will decide to go back to our country, and if we can buy a piece of land there in which near transportation, near the city, then probably we can reproduce this one, and we'll try to introduce to our Filipino citizens, and probably we can make money out of this. But here in Thailand, I'm not sure, but I'll try to reproduce more, and we'll see what's going to happen. But right now, as far as I know, I'm happy to have this plant. It's good for us. We have some natural medicine. My wife needs this, and even myself and my mom, but we only have one plant because the other one died. I was not so responsible to take care and to look after this. This has been 3 years in our hands after we bought this one in a festival, like fiesta in my country, or I don't know what is that in your other country, but they have this common festival here that will last like 10 days, 1 week, in which different categories, plants, fruits, and clothes, OTOP, and many other stuffs. They're selling machines for agriculture. So this was the time before COVID. Yeah, before COVID that we were able to possess this one from the festival. We bought this one from festival. So I'll try to reproduce this one as long as I have this expensive plant in my yard. Then who knows, right? Future is always open for anybody who can do the hard work. And if you have some rare plant that you possess on, and probably people how they patronize things, sometimes it always on a specific given time, maybe 5 years, 10 years from now, we don't know. Generations from generation change, and as long as we have all these plants that we have, let's just keep the company of these plants with us. They're living things as well, and let's enjoy and experience the blessing that they provide to us, the fruits that we can harvest, and even in our vegetables. So I still have a lot of work to do today. So thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog tomorrow, day 21. Bye.